piled in here. Oh, I need to hook some of those big guys. Guys, there's a herd right here. We're pretty much guaranteed. That's guaranteed a fish. This drag's gonna go off here in a second. They're stacked. That's piled in here. I mean, if that don't go off, I got the wrong color. I mean, I don't even think there's a wrong color with that many fish. Lord. Come on, fishy, fishy. That's a fish. That is a fish. Oh yeah. Holy crap, what is that? That thing's side hooked. I just seen that. He snatched it, got gill plated. Good fish, but get that grass off. Gill plated, I'm not even getting the full fight out of this fish. That sucks. Can't get the full fight out of the fish. Dang it. I wanted to fight you. Woo, there you go. Come alive, come alive. There you go. Because you didn't even put up no fight. Because you were trapped. The fish was wrapped. Holy crap. Get out of here. Calm down, calm down. Calm down. Calm the day. Let's move that out the way. I want to be safe as possible. 22. Fresh fighter. Fresh. Later, bud. Alright, release him. Release him on the fish. Nice, buddy. Take off. Holy smokes. Oh Lord, if this is a fish, this is a giant. Oh my God, double hookup. Double hookup, guys. Double hookup. No way. No way. This is an absolute giant. Double hookup, guys. Oh my Lord. Double hookup solo. Let's go. You still on there? Still on there? Oh my Lord. This one ran a country mile. This one's a big one. This one's almost up. It's a good fish, guys. This one's wrapping me around. Going crazy with it. This one's going all the way around. Ring around the rosies. Nice. it's not on board, so I'm not really concerned if it gets off. This is a good fish. Just had to do the other one. Make sure the line don't wrap around the. Oh, it's loaded down. Lordy. I knew it was gonna happen. I knew a fish was gonna come on. I knew they were gonna come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's taking on, guys. Wow. It is wide. Papa. Come to Papa. Woo, digging back down. They're fresh. These fish are fresh. And these fish ran in today. I mean, these fish. Been overnight. Fish. Oh yeah, what a good one. And this is nothing on that other one I lost. This is puny. That other one felt like a joint. Right on the lip, the way we like it. Little guy compared to the last Mohican. Same as the last one I just released. Yeah. 23 and a half. 23 and a half. Going back. Man, they are full of spunk. These things are spunky. Later. Fish on. Oh, he got off. There we go, folks. We got a fish on. This is a fish. Little schoolie, nothing special. Little worm kicker. Whoa, flew off. Did the job for me. I didn't have to do it. Thanks, bud. Checking this one to reel in. This fish on, guys. Oh shoot. Dang, that's the second double hookup. This feels like a better fish too. Kinda better than that shaker. Wow, guys. I'm a rabbit's foot for crying out loud. I'm a freaking rabbit's foot for crying out loud. Is it gonna jump? This thing's trying to come to the top and act up. Come on over here. Doesn't want to. Unless the sea lion grabbed it. Sea lion gonna come up with it? Lord. He is sideways, that's what it is. I was like, man, what the heck's going on? Taco fish. Plated. Came in like a side plate. Wow. Don't ask me how I hooked that thing. But it came in. It's a fight. It's a fish. Rabbit's foot, for crying out loud. Fish are just hooking themselves, just jumping on the side. Wow. What's this guy? Sheesh. Almost 18, just about. All right, go later. There's a fish. Double hookup. Double hookup. Oh my Lord, I'm in trouble. Which one feels bigger? Oh my Lordy. I got two fish on. Oh my Lord. The Lord is blessing me. These double hookups. I can't believe it. Wow. Fish in quick. Woo! My Lord. Come on, worm kicker. Don't kick the worm. Do not kick the worm. We got a buddy on right now. Nice fish. Thanks, bud. Boy's on fire. He's on fire. Major League Fishing Jams. MLS. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Not bad. That's a better fish. That's a better fish, guys. And guys, I do keep some. I do keep them. But I got halibut. Excuse me, covered my mouth. I got halibut and I got plenty of stripers still from the spring run. So I'm gonna start making tacos and then I'll start keep retaining some of these. These are fresh, so really ideal fish to keep. Fresh fall runners. 22 guys. Later, bud. Oh. Thanks for the fight. He came back and ate it. Oh yeah. Fish. This is the ones we like. Came back and ate it. He came back and ate it. Yes, he did. I think it's that girl. I think the girls are here. Get off. This fish is tricky. Oh, this is a bubble wrapped. Feels like a halibut. Feels like a halibut, guys. Wonder if this gill hooked. Coming up on the top. Oh, there it goes. It came unbuttoned now. Almost. Oh, we have a good fish, guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's gonna come alive. I don't know when, but nah, there was two fish on there. There was two fish on there, most definitely. There was two fish on that. I seen that. It was a lot bigger. There was something else on there. It was big. That was like two fish. Another 22. All right, freshie. Later, bud. Oh yeah, we're on. We're on. We are on. We are on. See this fish. It's taking line right now, guys. It's taking line. I'm not doing any of that. It's taking line. It's going wherever it wants. Large and in charge. Turn that clicker back off. Oh Lord. It's side hooked. It's coming in. It's side hooked like a son of a dog. I think he tried to attack it and missed it. Side of the thing, but it's coming in. Is this a salmon? This is a salmon, guys. I don't know what it is. It looks like a salmon. I swear it looks like a salmon. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. It's real dark. This fish is dark. Darker than a striper I've seen. But then again, it's hard to tell when it's coming up like that. What is that? It's a striper. Also, it's all black on the top. Thing should pop right out. Striper. Just a striper, guys. Don't do the helicopter. Do not do the helicopter. Come here. Come here. There we go. Thank you for your cooperation. $19 and a half, guys. All right. Later. Fish on. Fish on. Double hookup. Double hookup, guys. That is a double whammy all by myself. Epic double hookups. Woo! He's taking line. That's not a little line burner. That's not that good. I don't know if I still got that other fish, guys, because yeah, it's still on there. Yep, it's still on there. See, it's still hanging. Still taking on. Yanking. Oh man, that's a stud. This is an absolute stud of a fish. Wow, stud. I guess the girls are coming in, huh? Oh wow, that thing's still yanking line. Double hookup, guys. Gotta get to this fish first. Lordy. No. You weren't coming out. You were not coming out, buddy. That hook was not coming out. What we got? Quick measurement. 25. 25, guys. Yep, that's the biggest one so far. That's a girl. The girls are here. That's a girl. There. Oh. Let's see what we got over here. Let's see what we got. There's something on there still. You're still there. Oh yeah. You're still there. Still there, guys. Double hookup. Epic solo double hookups. Get on out here. Subscribe, and I'll have to figure a way out. You can comment, but you're gonna message me on Instagram or something. I'll have to make an Instagram for this. Contact me. But it is wide open right now, guys. Wide. Got me wide open. These fish are wide open. I don't want to hurt you, guy. I gotta grab you by the hand because I want to do some surgery on this one. We're not gonna let you do it to yourself. We're not gonna let you do it. But you're not leaking. You're not bleeding, so I'll take it. Let you go. Let you breathe. 21 inches. 21 inches, guys. there. That's a killer. Water. A little choker. Choked it pretty good. Choker. Can't be choking it, man. Gotta go back. Gotta go back. Sir. Got to go back. Put it on. Fish on. Again. Oh God. That thing's got some oomph to it. No. Yeah, don't get off. Don't get off. Tired, guys. I am beat up. I just don't know when to tap out. Woo. There we go. There we are. Oh, kicked off. Drag a little too tight. I'm getting spoiled. I'm bringing them in, plus I'm getting stronger, I'm sure, every fight. So I'm just kind of horsing them in at this point. Getting exhausted, but at the same time, getting too comfortable. Fish on, guys. So tired and spoiled with it. I just try to rush them in, and I don't mean to horse them in, but yeah, they're shaking their heads and getting off because I'm fishing with the water. Don't kick the worm. Do not kick the worm. Later, schoolie. sitting down and fighting fish now. Worm kicker. Got a worm kicker. Relocation. Right on, bud. Thanks. Come back when you get bigger.